teaches fifth grade at Bisbillion Elementary in Milford. Now, you can probably imagine all the joy Leo brings to his family's life. And that joy continues when it's lights out for Leo. Can you hear why? That's because Leo is quite a snorer, and everyone just gets a kick out of him. Kind of sounds like my husband.